Hello everyone. Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Reska Mardotila with name 233010437, and today I would like to present my final project for the Mobile Assistant Language Learning course. If you are a student or teacher, you have probably heard about Waygron, or formerly we known as quizzes. Waygron is one of most popular educational platforms used by teachers and students around the world. It allows users to create and participate in interactive quizzes, assignments, and learning activities using smartphones, tablets, or the computer. But the question is the Waygron is actually effective for language learning or not? In this video, I will explain to you what the Waygron is, explore its the main features, discuss its strength and the weakness, and finally share my opinion about the whether Waygron is a useful application for language learning. So, without a future though, let's we start. First, what is the Waygron? First of all, do you know what is the Waygron? Waygron is the previously known as Quizzes, is an online learning platform that was created but to make learning more interactive, engaging, and enjoyable. The platforms allow teachers to design quizzes and learning activities that students can complete individually or in groups. Today, millions of teachers and students use Waygron in different subjects, including English language learning. One reason for its popularity is the accessibility. Students can access learning activities anytime, anywhere, and anywhere using their smartphone. This makes Waygron an excellent example of mobile assistant language learning because learning can take place beyond the traditional classroom. So let's me explain to you about the main features of Waygron. In the Waygons have several main features. The first is interactive quiz. In the interactive quiz, teachers can create quiz with different type of questions such as multiple choice questions, fill in the blank questions, polls, open-ended questions, and matching activities. For language learners, this activity can be used to practice grammar, vocabulary, reading comprehension, and sentence structure. Students can immediate feedback after answer each question, which helps them learn from their mistake. Second is gamifications. Like what we learned before, the second feature is gamification. One of the reasons why students enjoy Waygron is because learning feels like a playing game. The platforms include points, leaderboards, avatars, achievements, and time challenges. This game-like element motivates students to participate actively during lessons. Instead of feeling bored, students become more engaged and excited to learn. Gamifications also encourage healthy competition among learners. The third is instant feedbacks. When students answer the question, they immediately know whether their answer is correct or incorrect. This feature is important because students do not have to wait until the end of the lesson to see their results. In language learning, this can help students remember vocabulary and grammar rules effectively. Next is the homework and self-paced learning. Teacher can assign quiz as homework. Students can complete the activities at their own speed and according to their own schedules. This flexibility supports independent learning and allows students to review the material whenever necessary. As a result, students can continue practicing English even the outside classroom. Next is detailed report and analysis. After students complete an activity, Wayground automatically generates reports. Teacher can see for students' scores, correct and incorrect answer, learning progress, and areas that need improvement. This information helps teachers provide better support for students who may be struggling. Next is the AI power tools. Wayground now provides artificial intelligence features that help teachers and students create quizzes, questions, and learning materials more effectively. These tools save and make lesson participation easy. Teacher can quickly generate educational content that match learning objectives. So that's all the features of the Wayground that we can use. So let's talk about advantage and disadvantage of Waygrounds. First, now let's discuss about the advantage of using Waygrounds. First is easy to use. The first advantage is the Wayground easy to use. The interface is simple, attractive, and user-friendly. Both teacher and student can learn to use the platform quickly. Even the beginners usually do not face major difficulties. Second is highly engaging. The second is the engagement. The gamified design keeps students interested and motivated. Many students more actively compare the traditional paper based on exercise. Learning become more enjoyable and less stressful. Next is sports mobile learning. Students can access the learning materials through their smartphone anytime and anywhere. This flexibility is one of the key characteristic of mobile-assisted language learning, and students are no longer limited to learning only inside the classroom. Next is immediate feedback. So, students can instantly identify their mistake and learn from them. This helps improve the understanding and encourage continuous learning. Next is encourage active participant. The fifth is advantage is participant. Wayground is encourage all students to become involved in classroom activity. Even shy students often feel more comfortable participating through a digital platform. As a result, classroom interaction can increase the significantly. So on the next I will explain about these advantages of vagrants. Although vagrant has many advantages, it also has some limitations. First is internet dependency. A student needs to be a stable internet connection to access quizzes and activities. Poor connection may interrupt the learning process. Second is limited speaking practice. Second is limited speaking practice. Will vagrant is excellent for vocabulary, grammar, and reading activity. It does not provide extensive opportunities for real-life speaking interaction. Students still need additional activity to develop speaking fluency. Third is over paces and competition. Some students may feel stressed when competing against classmates on leaderboard. Teachers should balance competition with the collaboration to create a supportive learning environment. Next is screen time. Since learning takes place on a digital device, students might spend more time looking at the screens. This should be managed to carefully to maintain healthy learning. So that's all for advantage and disadvantage about the vagrants. Now, the question is: is vagrant effective or for language learning? In my opinion, yes, vagrant is effective for supporting language learning, especially for practicing vocabulary, grammar, reading comprehension, and formative assessment. Its interactive design, gamification features, instant feedback, and mobile accessibility make learning more engaging. However, vagrants should not be only learning tool used by students. So, to conclude our explanation today, Vagrant is a powerful mobile assistant language learning application that helps students make language learning interactive, flexible, and enjoyable. The platform offers many useful features such as interactive quizzes, gamifications, instant feedback, self-paced learning, and detailed reports and the AI-powered tools. These features support both teachers and students in learning process. Although there are some limitations, the advantages generally outweigh and the disadvantages. For the reason, I believe that Vagrant is valuable tool for English language learning, an excellent example of mobile assisted language learning in today's digital era. And I think that's all from me. I'm sorry for my mistake, and thank you for watching my presentation. I hope this video help that understanding how Vagrant can support language learning. And see you the next video. And assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.